Did you know your fall cleaning routine can determine the success of not only your future plants, but the wildlife that lives within it? This Tuesday tip will share with you some ideas you can do for your fall cleanup in your garden and protect all the living creatures in the garden. Hi, I'm Brad with the University of Missouri Extension Master Gardeners of Greater Kansas City, and today we're at the John Warnell House in Kansas City, Missouri. Just like most gardeners, I like to have a clean, tidy yard, but I began to understand that fall garden cleanup does more than just impact the appearance. It impacts all the living creatures our gardens need to be successful. By stripping our gardens clean, we remove overwintering sites for bees, butterflies, and toads, as well as impacting the insect population for animals to feast on in the spring. I know firsthand letting go of the need for order can be challenging, so consider cleaning the front yard and letting things go in the back. Every little bit of our property we leave intact, we're helping our bees, butterflies, and critters living in our gardens year-round. Let's take a look at the things we should do and the things we should not do this fall to make our gardens successful for next spring and help protect our insects overwintering. Remove any plants, roots, and mummified fruit that have fungus on them to help control fungal pathogens. When in doubt, cut it and throw it out. Don't cut your plants to the ground. Leave your annuals, perennials, and native plants until spring. The plant layer can catch leaves and snow, which will shield hibernating insects and make a mulch to protect the plant and roots from the winter winds and temperatures. Seed pods become a great food source for birds as well as free seeds the next spring. Do consider cutting some stalks to 12 to 15 inches of height and leave the stubble standing for pollinator nesting sites. Another do is to mulch only where needed. Mulch your tender perennials after several hard freezes and after the soil cools. Leave some bare spots in your garden so the queen bumblebees can emerge from underground to build their nests. A big don't is not to till under weeds, but do remove weeds you do not want, and be careful using mechanical weeding tools to keep from disrupting the soil and to minimize the disruption to hibernating insects. Winter is 90 days long. When the weather begins to warm and we emerge from our winter hibernation, let's greet our gardens with even more anticipation for all of the living beauty they hold. We hope you enjoyed today's Tuesday tip. If you like our videos, give us a thumbs up. Be sure to check the MU Extension guide sheets and our resources in the Show More section below. Subscribe to our channel so you do not miss out on our next video. See you in the garden.
Volunteers from Master Gardeners of Greater Kansas City provide free, research-based answers to your yard, garden, and plant questions. Voicemail is active 24 hours for your convenience, or you can email your questions to the hotline. Normally, you will receive a response within 2 business days. So for any of your garden questions, call the hotline at 816-833-TREE. That's 816-833-8733, or send your email to mggkc.hotline@gmail.com. More complete information can be found on our website at mggkc.org. And don't worry, all of this information is in the Show More section below.